Hey, you're in the great outdoors with EZGZ. Here's our little garage that we made a video or two ago. And it's just a beautiful Colorado day. We've got the place to ourselves. It's virtually no bugs yet. So here's the inside of the camper and sleep up above here. And it's great storage during the day, and of course the car not being in here allows us to have storage for the chairs and stuff. It looked like it was going to rain yesterday and it didn't. Got all the amenities that we need. So yeah, it's been great so far, and we're gonna get up on the sand. Alright, first time on the dunes with this setup. Testing things out. Snow-capped mountains. Stopping up here on this hillside. Had to let some air out of the tires. 8 pounds in the front and back. I had a lot more than that in there for traveling and storage. And we're getting beat up pretty good from some of the holiday activity. And just a beautiful sunny morning. We got the whole place to ourselves so far. Alright, we're gonna go for an afternoon ride. In the mountains, the sky, this is what happens. You get afternoon rains that form later in the day. It's kind of breezy down here, but I want to explore another way of coming in here off of Kings Canyon, and the wind's blowing towards me and the camera, so we should be safe. We got a tarp along with tools and some emergency stuff, and we're gonna go for a putt. Snowy mountains over there. Go for it. Chicken. well, if you wanted to apply the brakes gently, you wouldn't have to push in the clutch. Driving lesson 101. Go over there. Okay, now if you want it smoother, you follow the track.
Okay, right.
We're going across the track.
Yes.
Give it gas, give it gas, give it gas. If you get in the track, it's going to be smoother. Ooh, that's a pretty shot.
Beautiful. The gorilla.
Your foot is bouncing on the gas pedal. Put your heel in there. Get your heel flat. Go over there through those trees. Sometimes it can't be avoided. Just there you go. Okay, you want to head back to the camp. Look for the power line. You'll never get lost if you just look for the power line. Keep going, keep going. There's the power line. So you know we're not parked very far from it. Okay, you're going this is a whole different trail, but there is a trail under the power line. Yeah, but you're going to have to go up the hill and look for it. Keep the gas on, keep the gas on. Turn right here. Turn right, turn right, turn right.
Oh, shit.
Give it gas. The only way you're going to learn is to get seat time. Slow down. Slow down. Just let your foot off the gas. Okay. That way you don't get beat up as bad. But when you start coming to a hill, then you need to get a little momentum and get in a better power band of the motor. Very nice. I want to see what my shock absorbers are doing. Okay, you can turn right on this. Slow down. That's what your brake's for. Slow down. Give it gas. run into the camper. Pushing the clutch. Good job.
You won't let me run into the camper.
Look, we're neutral.
Okay.
You gotta learn what the stick feels like.
I know.
It's an H.
Yes.
And this is the neutral gate.
Yes.
If you push it forward to
Yep.
first, second, third, fourth.
Yes.
That's very exaggerated.
Yes. Yes.
Did you see that cool shifter I got? It's Colorado sand dune quarter. All right.
All right.
Good enough.
Good enough.
Get out. Is the shutter even open on that thing?
I think it is. It's recording.
Can you
Smile. You're on candid camera.
Can you see me? Can you see me now?
Uh-huh.
Hello? Can you hear me now?
I can see you. We have neighbors.
This is so exhausting.
That's so exhausting. Obviously, even the dog's exhausted. And she didn't even get to ride.
All right, it's day 3, 7:30 in the morning. We are on the dunes. It's a beautiful day. Got the snow-capped mountains in the different distance, and we got our burritos and our thermoses of coffee. Yeah, this is deluxe. Deluxe, deluxe. It don't get no much better than this. Hope your day is going well. Get your projects finished and come out and join me. Just out exploring some forestry roads. Everything's open and legal, so don't have a map. I think it's more fun this way, just kind of an adventure. Okay, this was the way we came in. I don't know, that's just a campground. Looks like a trail. Looks like a quad trail. Too small for this. There we go. Well, maybe that was it, huh? Ah!
This is where we came in.
No, it's not.
That is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
That's where we flipped it. U-turn. This is where we came in.
Right.
We just came up this. Yeah. And our camper is way over there, right by the entrance, down on the flats. Yeah. Kind of cool. Didn't bottom out on anything, thank goodness. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. EZGZ out.